everyone, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. Today I thought I would show you how to make some chocolate covered Oreos. Let's get started. I'm first going to start off with tempering my chocolate and then placing some just plain white chocolate into a piping bag. And with the leftover chocolate, I'm going to be dyeing it pink. I just use beet powder for this. It doesn't taste like beets. It's just a natural food coloring, and then I put it in the piping bag and kind of swish it around to make kind of a marble effect. And then I got these silicone molds from Amazon, and I'm going to fill them about 1/3 of the way up with chocolate. Then I'm going to take an Oreo and squish it down, but not fully. You don't want to see the Oreo popping out on the other side. You're just going to add some pressure to it so that it's into the chocolate. Then I'm topping the Oreos with more chocolate. I'm using Lindt chocolate here. You can really use any chocolate you want. Candy melts work fine here. I just like the taste of Lindt chocolate the best. Then I'm going to show you just another angle here. So this is just straight up pink chocolate colored with the beet powder. I'm doing it again, just filling them about 1/3 to about halfway up with chocolate, pushing the Oreos in, and then I'm going to be topping them off with more chocolate. After I top them, I'm actually going to shake the mold around a little bit just to flatten out the chocolate so that it has a smooth surface. Then I'm going to put the chocolate aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to make sure that they're nice and solidified. Because I use tempered chocolate, they have a nice shine to it that you can kind of see there. I don't put my chocolate into the fridge. Sometimes it can bloom the chocolate and it makes like a white film almost on top of it. So I just leave it at room temperature. There's what they look like. Then I took a little bit more tempered chocolate, put it into a piping bag with a very thin cut at the end of it. I just made little lines back and forth super quick, or some swirls, and then I topped them with these little, I don't know what they're called, pearlettes, just to give them a nice elegant look on them. And finally, I'm just going to top them with the chocolate still wet so that it sticks nice with just some gold flakes. It adds to the elegance with the white pearls and the gold flakes, make it look really nice. You could use a little brush to kind of help you out putting the gold flakes on. I couldn't find mine, so I just used my clean hands. They work out fine. Then I'm just going to show you a little bit more of other ones that I did. So you see the fully pink Oreos. I think they turned out great. And that's about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.